I need stability in my life. My dad is Bitcoin and my mom is the market, and they don't like each other right now. And I need some kind of stability. This is a terrible analogy. But look, in this market, I'm trying to trade these small, gems or whatever, or I'm trying to get involved in these coins, and the market's not moving exactly the ways that I want it to move, and it's very difficult to predict because if it goes down, I'm gripped with fear because I'm fudded all out of my brain because these things it's gonna crash, and the Fed or whatever everyone's like pumping up the dollar and it's inflating and no jobs, and my wife is coming at me trying to buy some couches that are $3,000 and the apples have doubled in price and eggs are now $7. It doesn't make sense. So I'm trying to make sense of how do I make more money in crypto by trading, or maybe do I have to even trade? I need to figure out a way to just the stable. I get money every single week, and what I have come across is Hector DAO. Okay, it is a reserve currency that you could just park your money there, and you earn back APY. You earn back yield. You earn back money, passive income. The magic phrase that everybody always wanted to. You believe these YouTube commercials and these guys promising margaritas on the beach with your laptop and then sunsets and passive income always. It's actually possible now. Okay, I've been trying to trade and I've been doing actually very, very well, but that was in a bull market. Everyone is doing very well. My portfolio, like yours, it's tanked 40%. It hurts me. Okay, and so my strategy now has shifted to taking as much as my money can possibly buy, right? And I'm trying to park it into these reserve currencies. Now, what is a reserve currency? Basically, it's this big treasury storehouse, right? This big bank where in cyberspace where it's filled with all these assets, right? These cryptocurrencies, basically. And then for buying into that, for providing and staking their coin, you get yield. Okay, you get passive income. Now, is it more complicated than that? Of course it's more complicated. I'm using lizard brain technology terms, okay? If you're new to this channel, that's what all I use is lizard brain technology terminology, okay? My name is Aaron. I'm not your financial advisor. This is definitely not financial advice, but this is just what I am doing. If you're interested in how I describe things, just hit the subscribe button down below. If you're feeling generous, give me a like button. And if you want to win 1 Bitcoin, because that's the goal for my channel for this year, I'm trying to give away 1 Bitcoin. Just comment down below. I'm gonna pick out a winner. And let's get into this. This is what I'm into, Hector DAO. Before I get too far into this video, they paid me to talk about this, but I have staked my own money into this. Okay, so I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't something that I felt good about getting into. And you should see my actual reactions to they did 2 videos with me. The AMAs, both Prometheus did these 2 videos with me, and my mind is flabbergasted. Okay, so go ahead and check those videos out. Links are down below. Links are all over the place. Okay, it's important for you to understand something before you get into it. I don't even fully understand this, honestly, but if I'm speaking out of what I know, here's what it basically is. They have a treasury of $124 million. Okay, how do they get a treasury? A treasury is just a basic a pool, a bank account full of a whole bunch of assets. Now I'm going to go into here just to kind of skip around a little bit. Basically, you buy a bond. There's 2 ways you can participate in Hector DAO. You buy a bond. This is the first way, and that allows you to get HEC tokens at a discounted rate. Okay, and so you could basically buy it with DAI or whatever Frax is, your USDC, or Frax or all these other ones, right? DAI, wrapped, FTM. Okay, and these bonds mean something different, like 1.1 and 4.4. This is like gaming terminology, or game theory terminology rather. And so just go ahead and check out the FAQs here and all that kind of stuff. But basically, you could either buy these bonds, and then you get HEC tokens at a discounted rate, and then you stake the HEC token for, this is how much, 47,000 APY. 47,000% APY. That is like, what? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just Just like last year, I was doing research on what the best savings account is going to get me, and they were giving me like point 0.8, 0.25. This is so crazy. Crypto's so crazy. Okay, so this is why I'm doing it. Is because this to me is a stable way of getting passive income at least for this bull run. Okay, because I don't know where things are gonna go, and so you could see here how much I have staked. I just staked 115 Hec. Okay, and Hec right now is let me go through here. This is Olympus DAO or Olympus. So I was doing my research, right? And I was bouncing between Time and Olympus and Hector. And Hector DAO is where I'm at right now. So you see here that Hector is it's kind of a high price right now to buy in, but a low price overall. Look at this. Look at just kind of it's got some kind of support right here in the 60s, right around the 60s and stuff like that. So this is where I just bought. And it was like 200, 300 plus. Anyway, you buy a Hector, you buy a Hec token, and then you just stake it here, and you stake it for 47,000. I mean, that's it. That's all you got to do. Now, the good thing and the bad thing here is this: it is on the Fantom network. Okay, and let me tell you why this is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing and a bad thing because to me, if there's a high barrier to entry, that means there's not a lot of people in it first. That means if you can get into the Fantom network, boy, you are early. You are 100% early. Okay, Hector's only like 2 months old. It is looking to be the reserve currency on the Fantom network, on the Fantom chain. And so if you are, they're the first, I think, on and only on the Fantom chain, and at least they're the biggest. I know that one for sure. And so, and they're partnered up with the Fantom Foundation itself. Okay, so that's one of their close partnerships. So if you could get on here, this is where to play, where not a lot of people are right now. That's why I kind of just threw down. I'm like, I'm going to throw down $7,000 and I'm going to stake it into here because right now I have no idea where this market's going to go. I don't know if it's going to go up or down. I'm kind of fearful it's going to go down. This is just me. Am I always diamond hands? No, but I'm like, I'm going to sell this and I'm going to stake it down on Hector. So this is my strategy. I've decided to stake down on Hector at least $7,000. For this 47,000%. I'm going to see what happens in a month or two and come back to you and see how much money I have made. But I do think that this is a good time to buy in a bear trend. I mean, I do see some support here. So I see it going only up from here. Like, can it reach up to these levels again? $300? Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Hectoria. yeah. But if you want to get on the Spooky network, or sorry, the Fantom network on the Spooky swap, I made a separate video for that. It is incredibly difficult. Okay, but I walk you through it like a little baby. I take your little baby hand and I put it in my big grown-up hand and I walk you down the sidewalk, son, and I get you into the Fantom network and I let you meet this cat called Spooky, and we're gonna go ahead and bridge it and we're gonna do all kinds of stuff. All right. So your hand will be totally held. But this is just what I'm thinking. I don't want to try to trade. I don't want to try to trade against this market. It's too hard. All these guys are saying like, oh, your account, I called it and bounced off this line and blah, blah, blah. Look, I don't believe any of you guys. Because if all of you guys can call, then none of you guys would have lost any kind of, and everyone's bleeding 100%. Okay. I think that's something that's useful to know, is that if you're out there and you're watching this and your portfolio is red, you're not the only one. All these big YouTubers, these expert TA, whatever guys, they're all bleeding too because no one called it. I'm bleeding too. I'm just trying to figure out a way to keep generating profits while, protecting myself for any further crashes. And to me, this seems right. Buy Hector. So it's at a bottomed out price right now. I'm going to stake it for near 50,000% APY, which is it's unheard of. And so, yeah, I mean, I could go into like how it operates. I should probably do that, right? Hector DAO, decentralized protocol based on Hector token on the Fantom network. How it operates, I already went through this. You take these bonds, you buy bonds, it fills up the treasury. Once it's held in the treasury, that's what provides the rewards, and then you stake your Hec token for those rewards. That's basically it. It's very simple. It's a fork off of Olympus DAO. They don't like calling themselves a fork. They call themselves like a spork or something, some spoon. They call themselves a spoon. I do like that they are partnered with so many people. I do like they're partnered with the Fantom network. I do like that they're featured on here. They probably bought it, no problem. That's what good marketing is for. I talked to Prometheus twice. He seems like a genuine guy. So yeah, I mean, this is basically how you do it. And so one thing I should say, if you're staking on Hector, just give it some time. It has a little bit of lag time in responsiveness. So I had to stake it and kind of wait and refresh and all that kind of stuff. So all you got to do is once you buy Hector on Spooky Swap, you can do it two ways. You could buy Hector on Spooky Swap and just stake, right? I max staked it and I staked it, and you see here, right? And then yeah, you just claim it every so often. And the other way is to buy the bonds. You buy the bonds by bringing these types of assets into it. Then you buy these bonds, and then they give you Hec for at a discounted rate, and then you stake that Hec. Now you could go into the calculator and you could do all this nonsense. For me, I just wanted a no nonsense way, a no-brainer way to make some passive income in this down market. I have no idea what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. Don't believe a YouTuber. Don't believe us. We're all liars out here, man. Everybody's out here just freaking faking that they know the market, and it's frustrating me. But I do know that this is at least a safe bet. Now, this is financial advice? Of course not. But as usual, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a YouTube video comment, which is something that, like, I'm giving away 1 Bitcoin, which is what it's kind of crazy that I'm doing this. Honestly, I don't believe me sometimes. No. There I am. So there's my big ugly mug. So there's a lot of things here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it in the comment here. Why am I not working? So YouTube link, comment, boom, fetch, anything goes. 54 comments, and this is how you win. Love your spirit, man. Heinz Crypto. Okay, you win, Heinz Crypto. So go ahead and comment on your wallet address down below, and I will be sending you, I don't know, Hector token or something. I don't know, USB. Comment your BEP20, okay? Let's just keep it simple here. And I am on my way to giving away 1 whole Bitcoin on the channel. It feels so good. It feels scary, but it feels good because I think it's always better to be a go-giver than a go-getter. Anyways, guys, cowboys always ride together. Lizard brains, gorilla arms, diamond hands. We'll see you in the next video.